Fujifilm X-T50 Review. Compact mirrorless magic for photos and 6.2K video. Feeling stuck with bulky cameras, shaky footage, or dull, lifeless images? Struggling to capture travel moments or everyday life with precision? It's overwhelming when your gear can't keep up, leaving creativity blocked and frustration mounting. Photography and videography should be effortless, not a struggle. You deserve a tool that inspires confidence, speed, and artistic freedom every single day. Deadlines loom, scenes vanish, and opportunities slip by. Missed shots and shaky video can ruin a project, stress you out, and drain your motivation. When your camera can't deliver speed, accuracy, or stunning visuals, every creative decision feels harder. The pressure builds, and the joy of shooting fades. You need reliability, responsiveness, and professional-level performance in a compact package. Meet the Fujifilm X-T50 mirrorless camera with XC15 to 45mm APS-C lens kit, a compact powerhouse for photographers and content creators. Its 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor paired with X processor 5 ensures stunning detail, rich tonal gradation, and low-light excellence. With 5-axis IBIS and optical stabilization, handheld shots are sharp and smooth. Record 6.2K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, or FHD at 240 frames per second video in 10-bit 4:2:2, perfect for cinematic content. Advanced AI-powered autofocus tracks faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and more, making tricky shots effortless. The film simulation dial offers instant access to 20 creative color profiles, including Reala Ace, for gorgeous JPEG images straight out of camera. Compact, lightweight, and retro-stylish, it is ideal for travel, vlogs, street photography, and everyday use. One user shared, "The nostalgic negative film simulation transformed my travel photos into cinematic memories, straight from the camera." The included XC15 to 45mm power zoom lens is versatile, smooth, and stabilized, perfect for both photography and video creation on the go. Why is the X-T50 winning hearts among pros and enthusiasts? Experts praise its compact yet powerful design, exceptional image quality, and smooth IBIS stabilization. Digital Camera World highlights the lens kit's versatility and smooth motorized zoom. Peer review points to its AI autofocus and 6.2K video as standout features. Influencers and users echo the praise. A travel vlogger says, "The X-T50 fits in my bag, yet produces cinematic video with buttery smooth handheld shots." A photographer adds, "The 40-megapixel sensor and film simulations make every photo feel like art." Its tilt touchscreen, compact body, and easy connectivity via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth make shooting intuitive and fun. The power zoom lens complements IBIS for steady handheld video, while the film simulations offer instantly striking colors, no post-processing needed. From street photography to creative video content, the X-T50 enables flawless tracking, crisp images, and cinematic quality in a tiny, lightweight package. Curious why so many creators call it a mini powerhouse? It's a perfect blend of retro style, modern tech, and professional versatility that sparks creativity every shoot. Don't settle for shaky shots or mediocre colors. Grab the Fujifilm X-T50 with XC15 to 45mm lens kit today. Limited stock is available, so act fast. Join travelers, vloggers, and photographers already capturing cinematic 6.2K video and stunning 40-megapixel stills effortlessly. Whether shooting travel, street, or everyday moments, the X-T50 transforms your workflow and creativity. Seize this opportunity, upgrade your kit, and experience the joy of Fujifilm's legendary color and precision. Your next masterpiece is waiting.